Hi, good morning. This is Srini Dadi from Dadi Cryptos. Today is Sunday, August 6th, morning around 8 o'clock, South California. Nice, warm, sunny day. And let's look at what's going on in the markets. Okay, so yesterday was again a good day for Bitcoin and for all the top five or six altcoins as well as Ethereum and Litecoin. All of them touched good relative high numbers. Bitcoin touched the highest, peaking at I think 3,310 or so. Ethereum touched 262. Litecoin touched close to 47. And it's come down a bit, but still it was a very strong day. And let's see what's going on today. Still the market is very robust, and let's catch up on today. Give me a moment. So right now Bitcoin is at 3214. It's was trading a little lower overnight. Seems like it was around 3150, but right now it's been trying to catch up the losses, and it's good to see the variations. So this was what I was referring to earlier, where Bitcoin touched, it touched 3319 at around noon yesterday. Then it, in the 15-minute candle, it came at around 6 p.m. It touched 3270. Since then it's been coming lower, as low as 3154, and then since this morning it's getting better, and it's rising. Now this is GDAX, so mostly US transactions happen. This is the underlying exchange for Coinbase. Okay, so let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum right now around 257. Ethereum was also trading relatively high. Like I mentioned yesterday, it was around this 261. It also, a few transactions were higher, close to 262. But then it came down to about 251, and it was relatively there around 256. Overnight, maybe around earlier this morning, it came down to 252, and it's bouncing back to its levels of 250, 257 right now, 258. Okay. Same goes to Litecoin. Let's see what's going on there. Litecoin right now 4550. It was a lot higher at 4660, close to 47, but it's been coming down, and right now it's around 4559. So percentage wise, it's about 1% less from last night. Okay, so how are the other cryptos doing? Markets, Ethereum and Bitcoin, they continue to hold strong. Bitcoin was, as you know, is kind of doing extremely well. It's around this, like I said yesterday, it was went high to 3333. Right now around 3234. Ethereum was up about 6% in the past 24 hours. Bitcoin Cash, I think, as you can see, it's trading around 204. It was around the 400, and it's been coming down. I think folks are transitioning from Bitcoin Cash to Bitcoin. As you know, Bitcoin Cash was offered to Bitcoin holders in a few exchanges, and now you can trade them. And shares. This was a highlight. This goes with ANS, or it also goes with NE or NEO. So this is very active in Chinese market. It's right now I'm on Bittrex. Bittrex is the one offering trading and shares. As you can see, it's gone up 21% yesterday. So it was the lows were around 12. It made up for $3. That was the winner yesterday. And shares, NEO shares. This is the. It has some good potentials. I'll talk a little bit more in detail at a later time. Just be aware of that. It goes with NEO, and it's right now it's available on NEO. Okay, we talked about Litecoin, Ripple around the 18 cents, and Bitcoin. This is in terms of I think the Chinese currency. Okay, so let's look at other pairs. Like I said, with the Ethereum pairs, Antcoin and shares, NEO was really good yesterday. One more was Omisigo. It goes with OMG. This is, as I understand, a payment token. You can transact any payments, and it's based out of Asia. I think it's Bangkok, and it seems to be getting some traction. But it was doing well yesterday, but today it's lowered. So, and we talked about Bitcoin Cash as compared to the pair. Bitcoin Cash is also lower. And shares had good volumes yesterday, as you can see. Okay, so this is AND shares. I would encourage you to look at AND share in Bittrex. High volumes, and goes with NEO. I think they have this event on August 8th. I think it's in preparation for that. Okay. So what else? So we talked about the currency pairs. Bitcoin in US dollars was up 1%. Ethereum in terms of US dollars was up 6%. And Ethereum with BTC is 5%. OMG, this one I talked about with respect to US dollars, it was up 6%. And IOTA, it lost a little bit yesterday, and so did Ripple. Okay. So let's see where Bitcoin is. Seems like it's going to be, Bitcoin is settling down somewhere around this 3,200 mark for now. Okay, plus or minus, say $20-30. Because as you can see, the 15-minute candle right from last night, it's hovering around this 3,200. Okay. So that's it for now. If there's anything else, I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you, and have a nice rest of your Sunday.